have these two kids over here. They have one apple with them and both of them are hungry. So what would they do? So they need to divide this apple between themselves. So they will have half of whatever is there. So each of them will get half of one apple. So each of them will get half of one apple. Now what do I mean by half of one? Half of one is half into one, and half into 1 can be written as half into 1 by 1. I need to multiply the numerators, so 1 into 1, and I need to multiply the denominators, which is 2 into 1. 1 into 1 gives me 1 and 2 into 1 gives me 2. So what I get is half. So each of them would get half apple. So if one apple is divided between these two kids, each will get half of one apple, that is half an apple. So each of them would get half apple. Now another friend of this girl came to her and even she was hungry. So they decided to share this apple between themselves. So now once again they will have half of whatever is there. And what is there with this girl? She has half apple. So they will have half of half. Each of them will have half of half apple. So half of half apple. Now half of half means half into half or 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Because I can replace of by into or multiplication. Of is the same as multiplication. Now once again I have two fractions being multiplied. Now when I need to multiply two fractions, I multiply the numerator with numerator. So 1 into 1, and I multiply the denominator by denominator. So 2 into 2. 1 into 1 by 2 into 2. Now 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 into 2 is 4. So the answer is 1 by 4. Each of them gets 1 by 4 or 1/4 of the apple. So initially they had half apple, but they divided it between themselves. So each will get half of half apple or 1 by 4. That is 1/4 of the apple. And this is how I can multiply two fractions. I need to multiply the numerator with the numerator and the denominator with the denominator. So now let us multiply these. 9 by 4 of 5 by 2. Now of can be written as multiplication. So I can write this as 9 by 4 into 5 by 2. Now when I need to multiply two fractions, I need to multiply the numerator with the numerator. So I multiply 9 and 5. So this is 9 into 5. And I multiply 4 and 2. So in the denominator, I have 4 into 2. So 9 into 5 by 4 into 2. 9 into 5 is 45. And 4 into 2 is 8. So I have 45 by 8. Since the question was given in terms of improper fractions, although my answer is in improper fractions, I'll leave it like this. So the answer is 45 by 8. What is 7 by 6 of 27 by 14? Can you solve this on your own? Well, of can be written as multiplication. So this is 7 by 6 into 27 by 14. Now I need to multiply the numerator by the numerator and denominator by the denominator. But before that, if I can simplify the fractions further, I need to do that. That is, if there is a number which divides any numerator and any denominator, I need to cancel them out first. So I see that 7 divides this 7 and 7 also divides 14. So 7 divided by 7 is 1 and 14 divided by 7 is 2. So I cancel out these 2 by 7. Also, these 2 are divisible by 3. So I can cancel out 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2 and 27 divided by 3 is 9. So I can cancel out the numerator of one fraction by the denominator of the other fraction and the numerator of this fraction by the denominator of this fraction if both are divisible by the same number. So my multiplication becomes 1 by 2 into 9 by 2. This is what I have. So 1 by 2 into 9 by 2. These are my new numbers after cancelling or simplifying. So the numerator will be 1 into 9 and the denominator will be 2 into 2. I need to multiply the numerators and the denominators. So I have 1 into 9 by 2 into 2. Now 1 into 9 is 9 and 2 into 2 is 4. So the answer is 9 by 4. So this is the answer when you multiply these two fractions. So when you multiply two fractions, you need to multiply the numerator by the numerator and you need to multiply the denominator by the denominator. Of is the same as multiplication and we can cancel out any numerator with any denominator while multiplying two fractions. So take up different fractions and practice multiplying them. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.